Hi, hello. This is Praveen, and welcome to Praveen Tutorials for Physics. As you know, I'm Praveen, teacher in physical science. Here, in this video, I'm going to explain you about balancing of chemical equations. Here, just to make this video, it is the request from one of my viewer to explain the balancing of equations without using the table. So here, how to balance a chemical equation without using the table, that I'm going to discuss with you now. Here, just I'm taking one example here. That example is the first one. I will take one simple example to explain you the concept. That is CH3H8, that means propane reaction with the oxygen, that means combustion of propane to produce carbon dioxide and water. Here, I need to balance this equation without using the table. So I'm copying this equation again. This is the equation. For solving this, just you have to concentrate on the large numbered atom. Here, the large numbered atom is H8, hydrogen with largest number 8 we got. So here that is LHS side. Then I'm moving RHS side here. I have only 2. So here 2 4 8. I'm using 4 is a coefficient before H2O. Then put the 4 is coefficient before H2O. When you put 4 is a coefficient before H2O, oxygen count change it to 4. Hydrogen balanced is 8 and oxygen count change it to 4. Then here immediately I will not balance the oxygen because here it is given as a combination of a carbon dioxide. Carbon oxygen combination is there. Then I will go to next largest number other than oxygen. Carbon I will select. Here RHS side its count is 1. LHS side its count is 3. So by placing 3 as a coefficient before carbon dioxide, it is balanced. So carbons also balanced. Then here, oxygen count is changed in the carbon dioxide. It given as 3 times to 6. And here in the water molecule, 4 times 1, I got ice. Here it is 4. So 6 plus 4, it is 10. Let me take the second example. That example is here sodium sulfate reaction with the barium chloride to produce salt and barium sulfate. Textual example it is. So here, let me copy this equation again. So I copied the equation. Here, just I will give you one of the logic here to balance it. That logic is just you have to see here, look at this in the box, S44. And right side also you have S44. So take them as group of atoms only. Don't see them separately. Just see them as group O. So here S44, S44. It is as balanced. No need to disturb that. Then go for the other. Here Na count is different. It is as Na2. 2 is there. Then right side you have only 1. So you have to balance right side first. That sodium count. So what we'll put 2 as a coefficient before NaCl. Then what happens automatically here? Chlorine count changed ice 2 here. Then check it is left side. Already you have chlorines 2 atoms. So without any discussion, we'll say this ice balanced equation. Then I'll go for next example, third example. That is here the reaction of hydrogen nitrate with potassium iodide to produce hydrogen iodide and potassium nitrate. Let me copy this equation again to balance it without using the table. So here, the largest numbered atom we have to choose, but I have group of atoms here. I'll show you by the highlighting or underlining. Here, see NO3 as a group here. NO3 as a group. So here its count is 2 here and its count is 1 here. We have to balance this one. So how to balance? Just I'm going to select the coefficient before KNO3 is 2 here, because left side I have NO3 is twice. So that 2 I'm using as coefficient here before KNO3. So by placing simply 2 is coefficient here, it is solved. So NO3 twice completed. But here potassium count is changed. It became doubled. So LHS side you have only single. So 2 is coefficient before potassium iodide. So when you put 2 is a coefficient before potassium iodide, potassium count also changed. Then the count of iodine disturbed here. It became double. Then automatically check right side. It is also double. So no need to worry about that one. It is balanced. So this equation balancing is completed. Then I'll come to the fourth equation, that which is asked by my viewer to solve this equation without using the table. That is sodium phosphate reaction with the magnesium chloride to produce sodium chloride and magnesium phosphate. So let me copy this equation again. This is copied here. After that, I'll follow the same logic here. Just I'm depending on the group of atoms. So group of atoms is what? PO4. Left side, right side. Here, RHS side, PO4 count is given as double. Then left side, I have only single. So first, I will balance that one. Then I'll choose a digit to put as a coefficient before Na3PO4. So what is that coefficient? Here, right side PO4 twice is given. That is only I am selecting as coefficient before Na3PO4 on LHS side. So when I put the coefficient here too, what happens? PO4 group of atoms balanced, but sodium Na3 disturbed. It is became a 6 now. So sodium counter change it to 6. What about here right side? It has only 1. So 6 I'll put as a coefficient before NaCl. Then the count of sodiums either sides balanced. Then I'll come to another disturbed atom here. NaCl coefficient is 6. So chlorine count change it to 6 now. Then here LHS side I have 2. Then just select its multiple or multiplicand. So here 2 3 times is 6. So 3 I'm going to put as a coefficient before MgCl2. Then Mg count change it to 3. RHS side also I have 3. So this is the method we have to follow balancing without using the steps, without using the table. So this method help you to solve multiple choice questions. So thank you. It may be given clear understand on this concept. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.